On the third point, we are going to focus on gamification. The points and ranking are examples of game elements that can be used to motivate learners. So the gamification is going towards to motivate or encourage learning activity. Okay. So I'll go here, preview. So as I've already created the quiz, the questions and answers. So this is how the gamification option is. You see the answers are counting over here and here too also. So you see I was not able to answer any question, so it has automatically given me the answer, and the answer is what? Is B. Okay, so we are moving on to the next question. So this is the next question. It says that which device can be used for mobile learning? A smartphone, television, radio, or chalkboard? So the answer is A. Let us move to the next slide. And the next slide too is that what is gamification? The options we have: removing games from education, using game elements. So we choose B. So immediately you choose B, you see this part has given you 1%, or let me say 1. It has shown 1. So the next point, this is the next question. So the next question, you will move to this place, you will select the correct answer, and the correct answer is A, as I said earlier. So this is the part of the gamification and how it is going to affect and encourage or motivate learning activity. So now we can see the gamification aspect of Kahoot. Learners receive points for answering questions correctly in some modules, or in some modes. Answering quickly can also affect the score. Kahoot has several benefits in education. It can make lessons more interactive, provide immediate feedback, encourage student participation, and help teach quickly assess student understanding. Okay, so in all, Kahoot is a good example of both mobile learning and gamification. Mobile device allows students to access and participate in learning activity, while game elements such as points, ranking, competition, and feedback make the learning experience more engaging. So this is how the Kahoot is. So we are done for the day. This is how it is. Thank you very much. You can comment, make sure you comment, you like, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.